And this is why I say you have to change the world one relationship at a time, because I'm not
Yeah.
going to change that organization's system right away, but I can get a pilot, I can get a permission to do something different with something that's strategic. And so now I set up a different process. It may even be awful and manual, or it may be using AI and big data to look at whatever it is, right? But the team says, here's how we're going to follow this rule, and you empower them to say, I don't have to get stuck using those old functional siloed metrics. I don't have to get stuck doing things the way they've always been done. You're giving them guardrails and say, you get to go create the system, a pilot system. Let's just see how it works. And it works brilliantly when you align the interest and you take out the perverse incentives. And Jan, this is why I laugh, but I have this saying, if you're negotiating, you've gone down the wrong path. Turn around and ask a different question. How do I optimize? How do I collaborate? How am I transparent? How am I working together to share data to lower the TCO, to speed the market? Let's change out our metrics. And if that means you have to have some rudimentary Excel spreadsheet to track your metrics, you track the right things in your little pilot and it will work. Then you can go back in and start to change your systems. Because it's those systems, those institutional systems, the transactional ways of working that are holding us back.